For the past 5 years, I've tested hundreds of investing apps to find the best ones for beginners. And in this video, I'll break down my top picks for 2025 and explain why they're worth your time. This list is in no particular order. For the first app, if you want to learn alongside some of the greatest investors ever, like Warren Buffett or Nancy Pelosi, you can have Autopilot automatically copy their trades for you. This app uses AI to track their moves and mirrors their investments in your portfolio. What makes Autopilot stand out is its automation. It builds and manages the portfolio for you based on the strategies of these top investors. It gives you access to a variety of different strategies, from politicians to AI to hedge funds. This is an awesome way to learn firsthand how successful investors allocate their money and what kind of moves they're making without all the heavy lifting with all the research needed. While it's a great learning tool, it's not perfect. The pricing can be on the expensive side, especially for beginners with a small investment amount, the $100 for the year. Plus, if you like to have full control over your investments, the automated nature of the app might not be a right fit for you. Next up is MooMoo, a platform that's perfect for beginners who want to take their stock trading to the next level. One of the things that really sets MooMoo apart, besides its commission-free trading, is access to its advanced charting tools and even real-time level 2 market data, which is typically reserved for more experienced traders. MooMoo also includes a variety of educational resources aimed at helping new traders understand the market better. They offer tutorials, webinars, and even a community of traders where you can share tips, learn strategies, and even ask questions from more experienced investors. Another huge perk of MooMoo is its free stock promotion. You can earn free stocks just for signing up. And as you continue using the app, you can earn even more through referrals. It's just a great way to get started with some extra shares in your portfolio without putting any of the money down. Now, while MooMoo is packed with great features, it's not for everyone. The interface can be a bit overwhelming if you're completely new to investing, especially with advanced tools and data options. If you're looking for a super simple app to make a few trades here and there, MooMoo's detailed features might feel like a little bit too much. But if you're ready to get into the nitty and gritty of stock trading, it's a great platform to grow with. Now, let's talk about Acorns, an app that is perfect for beginners who want to take the truly hands-off approach when it comes to investing. Acorns is all about automation. It automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and then invests that spare change into a diversified portfolio. For example, say you buy a cup of coffee for $3.75, Acorns will then round it up to $4 and invest that extra 25 cents. It's an effortless way to start investing with very little effort on your part. Now, here's the powerful part. Even small amounts of money can really add up over time. Whether it's rounding up your change or making daily deposits of just a few bucks, it really builds up. Imagine rounding up just a few cents on each of your daily purchases. Over time, that can add up to thousands of dollars, especially if you let compound interest work its magic over years or even decades. A few dollars a day could potentially turn into hundreds of thousands or even millions by the time you retire. Acorns also offers pre-built portfolios based on your risk tolerance, ranging from conservative to aggressive options. And these portfolios can be made up of a mix of stocks, bonds, ensuring your money is diversified and working for you. Plus, it offers retirement accounts like Roth IRAs and traditional IRAs, making it an easy start to saving for the future with tax advantages. One of my personal favorite features of the Acorns app is the Found Money or Earn Money program, where they partner with hundreds of brands like Nike, Walmart, and more to give you cash back when you shop with them. I already made over $240 in free money from items that I was gonna buy anyways, and that cash back is automatically invested in your portfolio, helping your account grow even faster. However, Acorns does come with a few trade-offs. They charge a monthly fee starting at $3, which can add up if you're investing smaller amounts. And while the automation is great, it might not be ideal if you want more control where your money goes. Next up, and one of my personal favorites, we have Robinhood, which is one of the most popular investing apps, especially for beginners. What really separates Robinhood apart is its zero commission trading. You can trade stocks, options, and even cryptocurrency without paying any fees, making it a great option for people just getting started in investing. But here's something you may not know. Robinhood is more than just an investing app. It's an all-in-one platform. Not only can you trade stocks and crypto, but you can also use Robinhood as a checking account and even as a credit card with some of the highest cashback rewards around. So if you're looking for a simple integrated solution for managing your money, Robinhood gives you the tools to handle everything in just one place. Robinhood has also added retirement accounts like IRAs and Roth IRAs, so you can invest for your future with the same app. And while you're doing all of that, you can also take advantage of Robinhood's promotions, which I have personally used to earn thousands of dollars just by transferring money into my account and transferring my old retirement account. And let's not forget about the 4% APY on uninvested cash, which is one of the best rates in the industry. Even if your money is just sitting in your account, it's still earning interest. Robinhood is also evolving to meet the needs of more experienced investors. They recently launched a website version of the platform, which offers more advanced tools for those who want to deep dive into trading. And as you grow and continue to learn more about investing, Robinhood has the features to grow with you. While Robinhood is a fantastic option for beginners and casual investors, it does have a few drawbacks. The app doesn't offer some of the more advanced tools found on other platforms, like level 2 data or more in-depth charting for technical analysis. And though the platform is easy to use, it has faced criticism for customer service issues, particularly during high volume trading days. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about Coinbase, my favorite crypto investing app. And if you're looking to dive into the world of crypto, Coinbase is one of the easiest platforms to get started with. Coinbase is known for its user-friendly interface, which makes buying and selling cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others super simple. Whether you're new to crypto or looking to expand your portfolio, Coinbase has a straightforward setup that makes you make your first trade in minutes. One standout feature is Coinbase Earn, which allows you to earn free crypto by completing educational lessons that only take a couple minutes. They'll pay you in crypto just for learning about new projects, and it's a great way to get started even without having to invest any of your own money up front. Coinbase also offers staking, which means you can earn rewards by holding on to cryptocurrencies on the platform. So for example, if you hold on to Ethereum, you could stake it and then earn a return on your holdings. And this is a great way to make your crypto work for you, especially if you plan to hold long term. While Coinbase is easy to use, it can be pricey compared to other crypto platforms. Transaction fees can get pretty high, especially for beginners who are just getting started. However, for those looking for a more accessible, secure, and educational platform to learn about and trade crypto, Coinbase is an excellent choice. Which investing apps have you been using or thinking about trying out? Share your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.